Okay, so this is going to be a depressing story. But first, let's rewind. It's taken me these 9 months to finally talk about this terrible day. It's a day that started like any other. I spent the morning out in service, had a nice time, and then I had plans to go visit my friends up in kind of near the Rivercrest area where I used to live. And then this thought came to me. It was a beautiful day, and I thought, why not just go up there a little early, have some fun, take out the drone, and just go for a quick flight. See, I had been working on this project, a goal really of sorts, to kind of make up another documentary. You've probably seen some of the ones I've done in the past. Now this one was going to focus kind of on the subject of water. Why don't I just show you a quick excerpt to give you an idea of why I thought it'd be great to go up there to get some of these shots. As a quick side note, I have not given up on this project despite the minor setbacks. It's still, I guess, what we call pending. So until further notice. Water. It surrounds our entire planet and is arguably the most important resource in the entire world. It's always moving, changing location, showing its power, and yet the water we see today is the same water that's been around for millennia. How much do you appreciate this most important element? Much of the Earth's water is found in oceans. They cover approximately 71% of this globe and host 94% of all life on Earth. The Earth's oceans are deep, averaging out at a depth of 12,400 feet. Its max depth peaking out at an astonishing 36,200 feet in the zone called Challenger Deep. More than 536 people have been into outer space, but only 3 humans have ever been to the deepest parts of the ocean. Scientists estimate that we have explored less than 5% of this Earth's oceans, and we have better maps of the planet Mars than we do of our ocean floors. So in continuation of this, I figure the mighty Hudson River, is that not a better opportunity than to capture something amazing and really be able to use it then for the documentary? It had just gotten green outside, winter is finally kind of wrapping up, and I thought, like, let's do this. Let's get out there and get some sweet shots. So I open up my phone, I look on the map, and I find it. I find the perfect spot to go fly my drone. Let me draw it for you. Okay, so on the map, I look and I find this point. It has this nice point that goes all the way out, this rock point, and right here, this is me, right here. I thought it'd be a nice path to go all the way down, turn around, and come back. In addition, there was this sailboat right here. Sailboat. That I thought if I went around, it'd be a nice path to come by and get a shot of the sailboat. Take off, and I come out here, going straight out. Now this in the footage is where it almost crashed. If you take a look, it starts going down, but I catch it at the last minute and I come up. And so I stop here and I think for a moment, should I continue? This is when logic should have set in and I should have said something seems wrong with the drone because for some reason it almost crashed there, but I caught it. And I was like, I'll just do one more pass. That was mistake number 1. So I'm right here, I turn and I go all the way down here. You see the bridge in the shot? And then I make this U-turn and I come all the way back because I have in my sights this sailboat over here. And so I come back down, And right about here, this is when I'm looking and I notice something, I'm losing altitude, and all of a sudden it goes, shoo, and right here, that's, in case you didn't know, that's when I lost the drone in the water. Again, here's me right here. Now, me like this with a little teardrop coming out, not happy. So as you can imagine, I was pretty upset. It was kind of like that moment in Star Wars when Luke finally finds out who his father really is. No! No! But I knew I had to do something. So I thought for a minute, and I came up with a plan. See, Walmart wasn't that far away, and I thought, okay, it didn't crash that far out there, really, quote unquote. So I thought if I had only the right equipment, maybe I could still get out there and actually find it. So I made my way to Walmart, bought a pair of swim trunks and some goggles, and went back to the park. So I make my way back to the park, and I have my friend there with me.
Okay, you definitely want to go straight.
So shallow.
What are you feeling right now?
Cold. You ready?
Ready.
Just gonna jump out and go.
I'd say above water as long as you can, but.
It's hard to walk on.
Alright.
My apology, the footage cuts short here. That's because my friend Timothy Barraza, the one who did all of the filming and then had to put down the camera because he had to use my phone on the chart and try to direct me while I was swimming out there. So the water is absolutely freezing. It's probably like 50 degrees. I mean, it was May after all, and there was probably still some icebergs like floating down the river. But I dived in, I swam out probably a good 300 feet. Now surprisingly, I could still kind of dive down and kind of find the bottom. It was quite murky and quite muddy, muddier than I thought. But you would be amazed. After about 15 minutes down there, I found a stick. That's all I found. Yeah, I didn't actually find the drone. Don't get all excited over this. Yeah, there was lots of nasty sticks. So here's to you, Mavic Pro 1. You were a great drone, but a terrible submarine. So I thought I'd put together a couple of our best memories together. I did file this with DJI, the company who makes the drone, as a malfunction, as a crash. But to no surprise, nothing came of it. One of the first questions that DJI asked was, did you buy insurance? The answer, nope. To this day, I really don't know what happened. I remember flying and just flying along, next thing I know, just crashes into the water. This had been my 52nd flight. This had been my 52nd flight. So I thought I knew what I was doing, and at this point I had flown around for much longer. I'd only flying for about 2 minutes when this happened. So, without further ado, you win this time, Hudson River. You win this time.